Hi guys, you're all welcome. I hope you're fine and keeping safe. So I took this trip to Dollar Tree, picked out a few items and made these two really gorgeous wall pieces, and I'll show you how to easily make them. All the material will be linked in the description box below. Thank you. These are the frames that I picked out from the Dollar Tree. We are going to be using altogether 19 pieces, but they're of different sizes. The first step is to hide out all these pictures. So I deassembled the frames and then just flipped over the paper and then reassembled them. And then I also made sure that the back is really flat, so I removed all the pieces that were in the back. I flipped the back cover because the black background will reduce the transparency of the front paper, so it looks a little bit more white. I repeated the same procedure for the smallest frame as well. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you're updated every time I upload. Thank you guys. For this golden frame, I tried to do the same procedure to just flip the paper and just cover it up, but then it was so transparent you could see the pictures, so I decided to just use normal white paper instead. And then I also painted this frame black. You can also use spray paint for this. After the first layer, I let it dry and then I put another layer, so altogether I used 3 layers so I could totally cover up the gold, and I'll be using 4 frames for this. The largest frame also had the same issue. I could not just simply flip over this paper, so I used plain white paper. You can also use foam board or poster board, but my poster board was a little bit off-white, so I couldn't use that. I just decided to combine 2 of these papers with tape and make the background. I again flip the back just to make sure that the black makes my paper less transparent. So these are all the frames and how they look like right now, and so I'll start reassembling them. I kept reshuffling these frames until when I got the arrangement that I really wanted. For all the bonds, I'll be using 2-sided tape because I want to be flexible and change it anytime that I want. So for the big frame, I just centered it with this small golden frame. And then I glued all the other frames as well according to the arrangement that I did before. And this is how I'm going to be taping these frames onto the wall. I'm going to be using still 2-sided tape because the frames are not really so heavy and you can just change them anytime you want. The outcome was really gorgeous. I just love these pieces all together. They look so awesome. So I'm going to make a second piece as well using different material from the Dollar Tree. For the second piece, I'm going to be using these 3 trays that I picked from the Dollar Tree. And then I'll be using these big plates. There will be 6 all together. And then the smallest plates, I'll be using 10 of them. And lastly, I have 6 of these round mirrors, all from the Dollar Tree. So I glued the small plates into the bigger plates. And then I glued the mirror in the center of this piece as well. So I made 6 of these pieces, these arrangements like this. Then I used 4 of the smallest plates. I'll be gluing a small center mirror. I had these around the house, but I picked them from Joann's. So I simply just used hot glue as well to glue them. Just make sure you're careful with the glue and you don't have it all over the place. These plates are a bit hard to clean with that glue. So for these big trays, I'll be using this big mirror I picked from Michael some time back, and then I'll also be using this Bling Wrap. I ordered this online and I'll link that in the description box below if you want to get it. I had to cut this Bling Wrap into half and then just stick it around the tray. It already had its glue, so you just have to stick it and go around. So this is going to be the center piece. So I decided to glue the mirror last, just to make sure the glue doesn't really go all over it. So I just used hot glue for that. And then I added Bling Wrap for all the other 2 trays as well. I didn't finish it up because they'll be covered anyway. So I used hot glue to attach the plates onto the tray. So this is the arrangement I wanted to come out with to arrange all the trays together. So I'll be just gluing them onto the wall using the 2-sided tape. I attached the trays first in that form, and then I added the plates, and then I also, last time decision, I decided to add Bling Wrap around the 4 center plates, the smaller ones, because it would look, I think, much better than just leaving them plain white. The whole arrangement is not really heavy, so 2-side tape was really fine and it held everything in place. I'm just so happy about the outcome for this. With just Dollar Tree material, you can really get a nice piece for your home. I really hope you are inspired with these 2 pieces. I hope you love them. Please give me a thumbs up and share this video, as well as subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so that you're updated every time that I upload. Thank you guys for your support, and I hope to see you next time. Keep safe. Bye.